No?
It's going to give the response. It's going to take a little bit of time.
multiple languages.
For that, we will write a different program to understand all the languages.
Yeah, it should be.
So now we have only one input for
Okay.
English language.
So this is the input, output. Let me play it. I don't know if you can listen.
Please follow these steps. 1. Turn off the power supply to the light fixture.
So now it's more convenient. You can install the diffuser while listening to the instructions. So much more convenient. So
As I mentioned, right, I tried to develop a device made in China. Ask question ChatGPT, they can tell you voice. But so everybody is doing that. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe
So-
at least you guys can buy it.
So
Okay, good.
that's a very basic prototype. So this is what we want to achieve in future. This is the user interface that we are trying to build for
Yeah.
GE. So
Yeah.
yeah, these are the applications that we propose for General Electrics.
Excellent, excellent. Right? Okay. Yeah. A lot of case. With the case study, now you get AI code ChatGPT. Immediately, within a few weeks, apply ChatGPT for your business, right? So now it's better not, you don't depend on any professional anymore. You can ask ChatGPT to program for you. They can do by yourself. Yeah? So, was wonderful work, right? So they're doing customer services and voice assistants as well, right? And so they also did a good research on the 10 application area for business with GE. One of the area you guys didn't talk about how ChatGPT apply for product design R&D. Have you done the research on that?
That is an application, but we need to collect a large set of data for the product we want to develop.
Yeah.
And for that, based on the data, you need to pre-process it and develop a model.
Yeah.
So ChatGPT will basically work on a model that we will train based on the data, pre-processed data. So that's a lot of work, and we need a lot of time.
So basically, GE is a home appliance designer, right? And now they're fall behind. So now with AI, you could work with ChatGPT. What is the cool features for my refrigerator in next 5 to 10 years, right? ChatGPT is able to improve your design immediately. Same thing with you. What fashion should I look, right? What I ask, right? I make a video for Metaverse. I'm asked, what's hot topics for video right now related to which post of my YouTube traffic, right? I can list the full video. Yeah. I also write the script, right? Now Bing can make video for you immediately, right? It's more automation. So it's not a matter of technology anymore. The barrier is gone. Depends on you. You have what's your question? Yeah. Okay. Good. So any question for Team 2? Yeah. Good. Thank you very much. Yeah. Team 3, please. Very interesting. Showcase how powerful the ChatGPT is. Okay. Good. Make sure you give feedback for Team 2. Yeah. Team 4 to 5. Try to brief, yeah? 5 minutes for research, 5 minutes for demo. Yeah? Show your best parts. Yeah. Yours, okay? Good.
No, you need to log in.
You want to log mine?
Yeah, because why is
Your query, that should work. Okay. Seems to work. Hold on, doesn't move.
Yeah.
Still working, yeah. Good.
wait.
You should start right now.
Okay, when we were doing our research about the service tool, we were surprised to see how service could bring level up the Singapore Changi airport into one of the best airports in the world. And it was because of the digitalization. This thought inspired us to think ahead, what is there in the future for the Singapore airport now? It's already being a high-tech airport in the world, and is there anything we can do? Obviously we should do, because it's a problem with aviation, it's a problem with security. So this thought inspired us to see the digital twin technology. In this research, we have researched 10 digital twin tools. Unlike your other presentations, for us it's like a load of tools that we're going to talk, but since we don't have a lot of time, we're going to go with the highlights. These are the digital tools we're going to talk about: Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, GE Digital Twin. We're going to talk about the functional capacities, strengths and weaknesses, and industrial applications about the tools, and then we're going to show you a decision matrix to see what are the best two tools out of it, and then we're going to show you a live demo. So I'm going to invite my colleagues to go through the tools one by one. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So the first tool is Microsoft Azure Digital Twin. This is created by Microsoft, so it allows us to create a twin from the real world. So we also can create buildings and cities. So there are some airports that already are applying this. Some of these are the Hannibal, the Proclo, also the Heathrow Airport, and Auckland Airport. We also have another tool that is Amazon AWS IoTS. So this one, it is.
What is not coming?
I don't know.
Obviously, your PC is locked.
Continue.
You need to do same thing again. That doesn't matter. Reconnect.
Oh, you shouldn't send your phone.
You should what?
Okay. Just for the time, I'm gonna continue.
You continue without that.
Yes. So this platform, it is a tool that creates to provide cloud services, and there is also some airports that are applying this tool. Some of them are the ADT and the Armor and Monitor.
Okay, I'm going to talk about iSense, and the next one is Arkelos. Both are kind of similar. The difference is this makes simulations to predict the product. The next one, and this one is like recollect data to also to predict the product. The before. NSYS has it's a really good digital tool to implement like in different firms. But the weaknesses is like it's very expensive. It's between $30,000 to $50,000. But the next one, Arkelos, the weaknesses is the firms needs a really skilled engineers. So yeah.
So talking about the GE Digital Twin, so General Electric Digital has worked a lot of its work, mainly working on industrial Internet of Things. And with this, they have designed a lot of applications in the field of aviation. They have recently designed a potent engine that basically works on the Boeing 777 aircraft. And with this, they are able to get good predictions about when the blades of the aeroplane will get degraded, and with they are having saving a lot of cost. And also one example in the BHP mining sector, with this, we're using this GE Digital Twin, they are able to get proper predictions, live references, they can minimize the accidents, and they are able to increase the productivity of the people working there. Next. So if we talk about the Bosch IoT, Bosch is doing a lot of good things in the field of Internet of Things, and based on that, it has applied a lot of applications in, for example, in San Francisco International Airport, where it is focusing on device management, IoT analytics, IoT edge, and IoT data management. With this, they are able to connect a lot of devices within an airport, customers, the employees, and they're able to manage all the data, get the historical data of the flights and everything to minimize the errors and do everything on time, and the customers feel very safe and secure in this airport. Next.
Yours.
Hi. So we'll be talking about the Unreal 3D engine. Unlike the other digital twins, it focuses on a complex data structure. It is making use of all the analytics and the exported data is provided to work in the main domains like architecture, entertainment, and also gaming and virtual reality. I mean, who doesn't have played a virtual reality game? Say no if you haven't.
No, we haven't.
It is one of the.
So it is one of the digital twins that's working in that sector, making it more profitable as well. GE, like Balkaran talked about, then there's another one we'll talk about, the Salt. They're working in the production sector. So they have a lot of competition with other tools. But this one's advantage is that it is the sole competitor over there, making it preferable for Airbus and Emirates also. Where
So
they're
this one
using
for
it to
teaching
develop
asset, right?
Yes.
Future island, future, romantic dinner place, yeah?
You can create your games also if you want.
Gaming.
Yes.
Movie.
For
Movie
maybe
too.
yes. For animation, artifact, anything that you want, you can create it. The
So-
software is very heavy.
Go to and have Metaverse, have some video there, movie there.
And now we'll be talking about the Meta platform, Metaverse of Facebook. I mean, we have seen the Facebook's growth from being a single social media app to becoming one of the largest social media platform company out there. They use it for entertainment, gaming, but they are also providing one of the best customer services through their Metaverse, like transforming from a simple social media app. You can now search for houses over there on Facebook. You can make use it to purchase your mortgage goods like cars and other stuff. It is all made possible through the use of AI and digital twin.
By the way, the Oculus class is very cheap right now. Just $200. Yeah, you can buy it. Everybody play gaming or watch some 3D movie. Yeah, buy one. Yeah, on sale. On sale.
हो गया तेरा?
Yeah,
बेटा बोल दो आ जाओ. Done?
Yeah, that's about the my stuff.
Okay, so I will be taking the next two present IoTs. So we're going to be talking about the SALT system, like Delmia. Now the features of this IoT, it's used for real-time data collection analysis. It's used for aerospace. It has been one of the major IoTs used in aerospace engineering, especially for big airlines that want to go into development of more engines and also various parts of an airline. They mostly use this as one of their IoT programs to carry out their I call it the pre-phase development, to carry out simulations to know exactly whether this will be physical or not. Now its strengths are it is highly accurate and also reliable, and it is also the advanced customization and flexibility option. It is not too complex to customize, and it's easy for anyone to use it. Now the next one is Oracle Digital Twin. This is also like a real-time data analysis applied mostly in manufacturing. Now mostly manufacturing companies utilize IoT, Oracle Digital IoT, to carry out, simulate different manufacturing processes, to know expected times, to know when such processes will finish, some products will be done. And as you can see from the strengths, it is highly accurate as well. Examples are Miami Airport, examples are Schiphol Airport. They are mostly use them for carrying out their processes. Thank you.
Thank you, Chido. Now we have all the 10 digital tools that we have selected, and now we have done the digital decision matrix on the basis of ease of use, accuracy, reliability, comparability, customization, cost, support, and training. So we find out that like Microsoft Azure is one of the top, and because why? Because ANSY is also going to join the Microsoft Azure in next few months. They have already have a tie-up. So this has become a major collaboration in the market. So we have choose this two as a tools to recommend it for the Certis group also. on the basis of all like ease of use, accuracy, and the main thing is that the supports and training, because for these tools you should need trainings on the regular basis, because as the technology is getting updated by day to day, so if your training is very costly, then you cannot support that. Like it will not helpful for the company as well as for their revenue generation. So this is the best part. Now, thank you for the slides. Now I can show you, like when we have the simulation that we have it from the ANSYs. So this is the flight control. Okay. So in this, if you increase this one, you can see that the speed of airplane is increasing. Like this is we are not a professional, so we are not created that one. So if you want to have simulation of airplane, then this can be helpful for the companies. They can make these simulations in their organization and help to train their like the pilots. They can do practices on this. So this is just a basic version of that. And second that we want to show, just because sorry guys, I can show you here only. So because the screen is not working. This is Microsoft Azure. You can see that we have created two things. This is one because Azure is very heavy software. It's very costly also. So they have given a student offer, like we can have credit of $250. So you can make your own project on this. So we have created a team 01. It's an API, face API that company can use to detect the faces, emotions or something, and they can already implement in the airports to detect whether any suspicious activity is happening or not, or this all thing will happen with this one. But we have we just created it this is simple, but the thing is that we cannot show you the demo. The reason is it's required lots of things like documentation, reason availability. Like we have to do all the things with the government. So this is an interface that we have shown that how you can how company can create it and use it. And we have something else in Microsoft Azure that we have created. It's a virtual machine. I can show you that this. This is a virtual machine where server is right now in Australia. You can see that. You can access it from your phone also anywhere. If you are if you are an employee, like a company owner, then you can see your company your machine, what is actually working on, what is the stand, what is the CPU. So this is monitoring. So this is a real-time monitoring. You can see that. So like how much percentage of CPU average, and this is all comes in the this virtual machine. So this is the two tools that we have done it, and we are recommending to the Certis group. Thank you.
Great. Basically, in the next 10 years, right? AI, ChatGPT, will affect you general labor, okay? And you can see a lot of layoff as well. However, ChatGPT will not go to the vertical market. For example, the engineering, the product design, the supply chain, right? As a human, right? We eat food, of course, that can be done by grocery. And but we need a warehouse. We need to use the living, right? Appliance, all this manufacturing supply chain. So in order to teach the transformation in that area, we need more professional tools. So Kingsley did some wonderful research on the teacher training tools, 10 of them, right? Like Azure, like AWS, IoT, right? Like ANSYS, right? And so a lot of new tools. So I would recommend you should ask for the vertical market jobs. For example, go to GE, go to particular airport, Vancouver airport, right? They need a more integrated, sophisticated solution, right? Which you keep your job for the next 10 years, rather than automated by ChatGPT. of course, ChatGPT is always happy when you develop this, right? Now it's easy because you ask ChatGPT how to do this development, this work, right? ChatGPT can help you, but you have to use this tools to apply for supply chain, for airplane simulation, right? Autopilot, right? And farmer. Canadian is bigger farmer. Yeah, everyone needs food. Why the food inflation is still high? Because Canadian farmers average age is 70, right? But we have big land there. But future farm also digitalized, right? It's farm workers. You can create a digital version of your farm, your crop. Then you're able to control the spray, yeah, everything, right? About your harvest, maintain everything done by digital concept. Right? So this can be used one or two of the tools for farmer digital transformation. Okay?
Yeah, there's
so
one more point.
Yeah.
Even in the agriculture sector, everyone is focusing on the crops, their yields to detect. But now they are working on the things, so they will have live data of the implements, the equipment they are using. If the equipment is going to get degraded, so the team will have a message, so this part of the machine is going to degrade, so change it. So like this they are changing.
One more thing I like to add. You guys can have everybody has a phone. If you want to see how digital twin works, I can tell you we have done a research on it. So we find out one application which is very good. It is known as digital twin. Okay, so it's a Twinzo app. Okay, it's only work in the mobile. So you just ask for the if you have a free demo. Like if you have own company, you can ask them to develop a digital twin for your company. But I can show you one demo because screen is we cannot show in the screen. Here it is it's going live. You can see that. They will make you live for yourself. So if you want to see how machine is working, so you just click on the machine like this part. Okay, it will tell you.
Okay, that's good enough.
Yeah. You can download. You guys can download it and you can use it. It's
Okay.
a good application.
So any question for Team 3, please? A lot of good work. Yeah, digital transformation for all this sophisticated industry. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, please coordination for Team 3. Team 4, please, your two time. Your two time. Yeah? Team 4. So computer, do you have a computer connected? Yeah?
Oh.
You don't need a computer?
No.
Okay, well, you can talk. Yeah.
We wanna be. No, we recorded the demo on YouTube.
Oh.
Through YouTube.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
You wanna open?
Go ahead, yeah.
No, the presentation. Who is opening? See, Gagan, did you send professor's email?
So you need the email to me? Which one? So this one?
No, Gaganjit Kaur. This is Gaganjit Kaur. Here. No, this one.
Just email me again to there.
I think she also uploaded in the Moodle.
Okay, let's see.
Should be in the Moodle.
Yeah, but we need it. Is it possible to download it?
Maybe you walk up. Wait for it. Okay, it's going to work.
I just want to.
Okay, good.
Where are the phones? I can check email. I kept it in email. Oh, just enable it.
Okay, you may start.
Yes. No, this one. Oh, you sent again? Yeah. Okay. Just 30 seconds, please. Did you send it?
Okay, let's start. Go ahead. Okay, guys, showtime. Quiet.
Hello everyone, myself Krishna Hakane and these are our group members. Next slide please. So based on Henkel's case, their main problems are with their supply chain issues. So we have decided that digital twin is the best option that can help with their issues. So first one is ANSYS. ANSYS is a widely used simulation software.
Because the previous curated talked more detail, right? You just summarize what you found.
Summarize,
Yeah, you save some time, save your work.
Yeah.
Summarize.
So, ANSYS is a widely simulation software that targets various engineering industries like aerospace, automotive, defense, electronics, healthcare, etc. So their major functions are structural mechanics, fluid dynamics, electromagnetics, and multiphysics. Overall, ANSYS is a powerful simulation software that can be used in wide range of industries of simulation analysis and complex physics phenomena. Next slide, please. Excellos, it was founded in 2012 by MIT researchers that target industries are oil and gas.